In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free GoHighLevel website templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find them and how to start using them right away inside your GoHighLevel account. First, log into your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct location or account where you want to build your website. From your main dashboard, look for the section in the left-hand menu labeled Sites. This is where all your funnels and websites live inside GoHighLevel. Go ahead and click on Sites to open up the site management area. Inside the Sites section, you'll see a couple of different tabs. You want to focus on the Websites tab, not Funnels. Click on Websites, and this will bring you to a page that lists any existing websites you've already created. If this is a fresh account, that list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, look for a button that says New Website. This is usually found toward the top right of the page. Click New Website to start the process of creating a brand new site. When you do that, GoHighLevel will ask you how you want to create it. Instead of starting from scratch, choose the option that says From Templates. This is the key step that unlocks all the free designs for you. After you click From Templates, GoHighLevel might show you a quick confirmation or setup screen. Just click Continue to move forward. Once you do, you'll be taken to the template library. Now you'll see a large collection of ready-made website templates that you can use completely free inside GoHighLevel. You can scroll through and preview different designs, and you'll notice they're built for various industries and purposes, like agencies, local businesses, coaches, and more. Take your time here. Hover over a template to preview it, and when you find one you like, you can select it and build your new website from that design. This saves you a huge amount of time compared to designing everything from a blank page. On top of the built-in templates, there's another option. In the description of this video, there's a link that takes you to a Dribbble collection with over 500 website templates. You can browse through those designs, filter for the free options, download the ones you like, and then upload them into GoHighLevel. This is perfect if you want even more variety or you're looking for a very specific style. And that's it. Follow these steps, explore the free templates, and you'll be able to launch professional looking